My name is Paul Van Balen. I'm the designated broker for the SunWorld Group. We're a property management firm located here in Southwest Washington. Today I want to talk to you about the 3 common maintenance mistakes landlords make. The first mistake is not doing the maintenance at all, whether it be water leakage around the shower, the gutters are overfilled, the roof has a bunch of moss on it, or just in general taking care of everyday problems. So your first item, not taking care of it at all. The second problem, not getting it fixed properly. If you go too inexpensive and the repair's not done right, it could end up costing you a lot more money to have somebody come in and do it right. And the third thing is paying too much for the repair. So if you call people to get maintenance done and you don't really know the cost of the repair, this could end up costing you double, 3 times the amount, so forth. This is where a property management company comes in and could be very helpful to you. Property managers know the repairs and what needs to be done to correct a defect or a maintenance item and the cost of those items. So it's very favorable for you to have someone on your team that can take care of the everyday maintenance to keep you out of trouble and keep you from paying too much. For this and other information, please contact us. Thank you for watching.